Hi guys, so in today's video, since I have to do my makeup anyways, I'm gonna show you guys what skincare and makeup products I recommend from Sephora, because Sephora is having their sale. I'm gonna start off with moisturizer. This is the Belief Aqua Balm. I have it in the small size and this has lasted me quite a while. I would definitely say try it out. They have the Aqua Balm, which is the gel form, and they also have the moisturizing form, the moisturizing balm. If you have combination to oily skin, definitely suggest the Aqua Balm. If you have more dry skin, the moisturizing balm is going to be your best friend. I have combination skin, so I tend not to use a primer. I'm not a big primer fan. I feel like my moisturizer gets the job done. That is the moisturizer I recommend. I'm not gonna put anything else on except lip balm. So this is the Laneige lip balm. The Laneige lip sleeping mask. This is the mango. I also have the tube version of the Laneige lip balm, which I love. They definitely are moisturizing. They definitely give your lips a nice feel. So those are lips. Sunscreen, I recommend Dr. Jart Everyday Sunscreen. This is a mineral sunscreen and it's SPF 50. If you're any darker than me, this is not going to look good on your skin. It's going to make your skin have a purple tinge, because it definitely gives mine a purple tinge, and I have to use like my moisturizer over it so it take away that cast. But I have super sensitive skin and I can't use anything else but mineral SPF. If you find that broad spectrum SPF breaks you out, it's because you do not agree with that. Get you a mineral sunscreen that works. And I went yesterday and tested a whole bunch of mineral sunscreen that they have, and they did the same thing. They had that white cast. So as far as retinol is concerned, I have the Drunk Elephant and I have the Inkilis. The Inkilis is super affordable for the girls on the budget. The Drunk Elephant is personally my fave. I feel like it is super strong for over-the-counter retinol. And another good retinol is the Good Genes. Before the Drunk Elephant, I was using Good Genes, and it comes with the pack. I would suggest you get the pack with the Luna Sleeping Oil, because it's more bang for your money to me, and I feel like it lasts more longer. And then I have the Inkilis 15% vitamin C and EGF. This helps brighten your skin. It's also great to use in conjunction with your sunscreen. So that's all I have for skin stuff. So let's get into the makeup, because I don't want this to be super long. So for foundation, I recommend the NARS Light Reflecting Foundation. I also recommend the Too Faced foundation. Love Too Faced. Oh my god. I also recommend the Makeup Forever HD Skin. This is for the light girls that just want a little bit of coverage. This is going to be your best friend. The Makeup Forever and the Too Faced is medium to full coverage. And then I also like the Rare Beauty Foundation. This is a demi matte finish. It has a nice shade range. So for me personally, I am going to mix my Light Reflecting and my Makeup Forever today. I'm trying to figure out a new foundation routine. We have outings in a few months. I like to make sure that when I'm going away we do Miami Memorial Weekend every single year. I like to make sure that I have a makeup routine that's down pat, that's camera ready, that won't give me flashback, anything like that. And I'm just laying down the foundation on my problem areas. I'm trying to not put foundation on my moles, and then I just go in and blend it out. I use 1 pump of the NARS Light Reflecting, and I have that in More medium 2.3. And then for the Makeup Forever, I use 3Y46. And as you guys can see, I bleach my brows, but it's not hard to cover because I have red here now. As far as concealer, I would recommend the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. That's the concealer that I was using before, but it's all gone, and I replaced it with the Juvia's Place. So that's the concealer I recommend. I also tried NARS, but it wasn't my fave. I felt like it didn't give me as much coverage as I wanted. So let me see what time it is. I need to hurry up. I'm trying to get my makeup done by 3:15, 3:10, so I can start my videos. I haven't found any cream contour from Sephora that I like. This is the e.l.f. I have the Charlotte Tilbury one in my cart, which is what I'm planning to pick up. If anybody have rouge and want to share with your girl, you can, darling. I'm not opposed because my cart is a bit high. So for cream blush, I'm a girl that love me some Fenty Beauty. This is in the color Rose Latte, and then Rare Beauty Love. I absolutely love these two blushes. If you're looking for blushes, Rare Beauty and Fenty Beauty for cream brushes. And I'm just dipping in. I was never a blush girl before last year, and then I started to dabble in it, and now I love me a good blush. As far as powder, I'm using the one size. This is from Patrick Starr. The makeup artist says we do loose powder first. Set the under eye, and then I'm going to use blush. Sephora blush. This is in the color Tiger Lily. I also love their Sephora brand blushes. I'm mixing both of them together. I feel like it's amazing because you get two different color brushes for the price of one. And struggling with these damn nails. So to set all over my face, I'm going in with the Sephora Micro Smooth Powder in Tan to set everywhere else. I'm gonna go in again with the Charlotte Tilbury face powder, and this is in medium, and I'm gonna go in again with this. I would go in with my Fenty bronzer, but that is at my mama's house, or I would go in with a darker color of the Sephora Micro Smooth powder, and again, that's at my mom's house. So left it at my mama's house. I'm gonna use my Juvia's for this, just a little bit to bronze the skin. As far as eyebrow products, I normally never go in Sephora for brow products because I feel like the drugstore always have great brow products that rival Sephora's. Now for my face spray, the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray by Charlotte Tilbury. A lot of people hate this. A lot of people say it's overhyped. But if you have combination skin, if you have dry patches on your skin, this is going to be your best friend. If you don't have any of those things and you want to try something that's more mattifying, the one that I have in my cart is the one size fits all from Patrick Star. That's what I'm going to get, especially since we're doing Miami and I need it to stay put because we're going to be doing a lot of clubbing, a lot of outdoor activities. And then I like to go in with my NYX. This is the dewy one. My NYX Matte Finish Spray. And baby, that's it. That is the face. I need to do my brows. If I can find my damn brow pencil that I just bought, that would be great. So this is just a simple Maybelline brow pencil that I got from Target, and now that my brows are bleached, it makes it so much harder for me to do my brows, because now I'm accustomed to having my brows look tinted red all the time. And I should have done this before, but I'm not somebody that overdraws my brows either. I just like to make sure they're even. And make sure they don't have any harsh lines. Use some NYX Brow Glue. I didn't glue down my... Oh, these are too curly now. I should have just pinned these. Oh, I need to do my hair. I'll be right back. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed my Sephora recommendations, and if you're buying anything from Sephora, tell me what you guys are picking up. Also, it's a great time to get perfumes that you've been eyeing, if I didn't mention that. And I'm also going to show you guys some of the stuff that I have in my cart. I am crazy. I forgot lips. I recommend Fenty. I have the Fenty MVP lip stuff in my cart. Fenty glosses, you can't go wrong with Fenty glosses. And those are the last of my recommendations. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.